We use foot filters in all of our chemical suction lines to make sure that we don't get any debris into the chemical pumps. It just increases the longevity of your pumps and prevents the non-return valves from blocking up. The reason you might be taking one of these apart on site would be either you're installing a new system and adding a chemical in, or you've had a problem with chemical getting to the drum and you just need to give the non-return valve a clean or check for any blockages. This bottom part is the filter bit. Next comes the non-return valve. You'll see that there is an arrow on this. This needs to be pointing up because it's showing the direction of flow. Next, screw it into the foot filter. You do not need to use tools to tighten these, you just do them to finger tight. The top bit consists of the tube connection kit, which also connects onto your injection nozzle or HC201 and 301 pumps. To connect this, place the larger bit over the end of the tube, followed by this bit in this orientation. The last bit gets inserted into the tube. It's important when you're putting this bit on that the tube does go right to the base. Push them into the end of the tube connection kit and screw onto the top of the non-return valve. Again, just a finger tight, no need to use tools. And that is ready to go into your chemical drum. For more information on water sanitizing products and testing equipment, contact Zychem or visit our website.